In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a domain in GoHighLevel in Agency View. Start by logging in to your GoHighLevel sub-account. Once you're in, switch over to Agency View. You'll find this in the Profile or Account switcher. Moving to Agency View ensures you're making changes that affect your entire workspace, not just a single client location. Next, open Settings from the left-hand menu. Inside Settings, go to Company. From there, select the White Label tab. This is where you'll connect your branded domain so the platform can display your logo, colors, and custom URL across your accounts. In the White Label domain field, enter a subdomain only, something like app.yourdomain.com or dashboard.yourdomain.com. Avoid using the root domain without a prefix, and stick to letters, numbers, and hyphens. Make sure the domain is already registered and that you have access to its DNS settings with your registrar or DNS host. Click Add Domain. GoHighLevel will generate the DNS records it needs, typically CNAME entries, to validate ownership and route traffic through your new subdomain. When prompted, click Continue to move to the verification step. On the verification screen, click Verify Records. If verification succeeds, you're set. If it fails, it usually means your DNS changes haven't propagated yet. That can take anywhere from a few minutes to 24 hours. Double-check that you added the exact host names and values provided, that you didn't use the root domain by mistake, and that you placed the records in the correct DNS zone, especially if your domain and subdomain are managed in different providers. Lowering the TTL before saving records can help them update faster. A quick note on the difference between adding a domain in a sub-account versus Agency View. When you add a domain in a sub-account, you're connecting a brand-specific domain to assets inside that one location, like a website, funnel, or tracking for a single client. When you add a domain in Agency View, you're setting your global white label URL for the entire platform. That's what enables a branded login page and consistent agency branding across all sub-accounts. Once verification passes, your white label domain is live. Test it in a private browser window to confirm it loads the GoHighLevel login with your branding. If you ever change the subdomain later, update it here and adjust the corresponding DNS records to match. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.